Paperless Parts is a secure, CMMC-compliant quoting platform that helps you get complex quotes for milled or turned parts out the door quickly and win more work. Let's take a look. To get started, simply forward RFQ emails directly into Paperless Parts. Wingman, Paperless Parts' AI assistant, will automatically extract critical information about the quote package and enable you to bulk create line items, reducing admin steps and making it faster to start quoting. Organize your workflow and surface immediate tasks or highest priority work using customizable filters and saved views. When reviewing prints, Wingman will automatically identify critical information, such as materials, specs, whether or not a file contains CUI, and other critical data. For parts with models, manufacturability warnings can be customized to your shop's unique capabilities to ensure you don't miss tricky features while quoting. If you do have questions, chat tools in the app make it easy to discuss details with your colleagues while ensuring that information always stays with the quote, instead of getting lost in email or phone calls. To begin costing a part, select the appropriate process and material family. A preliminary template with baseline calculations based on the part's geometry will auto-populate using the rules and logic configured during the onboarding process. Estimators can easily refine the estimates from the calculated baselines, and changes will automatically be recorded, making it easier to understand how a price was derived or who last edited it. The intuitive user interface makes it simple to review pricing and adjust markups to fine-tune based on your shop's pricing strategy. For shops that can provide flexible lead times, Paperless Parts makes it easy to monetize that capability. Providing dynamic lead times improves margins and promotes customer satisfaction. When the quote is ready to send, you can choose from a library of customizable email templates to send consistent branded communications. Professionally formatted, easy-to-understand quotes are delivered digitally right to the customer's inbox, so they know precisely what has been quoted and what they're buying. For more information or to request a custom part demo, visit paperlessparts.com/demo.